Hello friends, welcome to our channel Techcorner English, where we break down the complex topics into bite-sized, easy to understand pieces. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between ELCB and RCCB, earth leakage circuit breaker and residual current circuit breaker. I know most of the people believe both are same, but let me make it clear that both are not same, both are different. And after watching this video, I strongly believe you will completely changing your mindset that ELCB and RCCB are different. So let's go into the video. Before going into the video, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell button so that you will be getting notifications whenever we post the video. Before understanding the difference between ELCB and RCCB, let's first understand what is ELCB and RCCB. So both ELCB and RCCB is a safety or a protection device which protect us or the machines or the equipments from electric shock or from the earth leakages. So this is what typically both it does. Now you will be confused again. Since both ELCB and RCCB does the same function, then why it is different? So that is a question here. Why it is different? Both is giving a safety and earth leakage protection, but according to the construction, according to the operating principle, both are completely different. So that is the main thing which we want to look into this video. As I told you, both are doing the earth leakage protection, but the primary difference between the ELCB and RCCB is that ELCB is a voltage operated devices, whereas RCCB is a current operated device. From the term itself, you know, ELCB works with reference to the voltage, RCCB works with reference to the current. Or in other words, ELCB works in a way like it's a voltage sensing device, whereas RCCB is a current sensing device. So this is a primary difference. And now coming to the operational way and the structure kind of thing, the connection terminals, it is also different. I hope that the basic difference is clear. ELCB is a voltage operated device, whereas RCCB is a current operated device. There is no confusion. And coming to the connection, ELCB requires phase, neutral and earth. Three connections are very important for an ELCB to work, whereas RCCB only phase and neutral is required. It is earth is not required. The physically earth connection is not required for an RCCB to work. So that is actually a big difference. So if there is some issue in the earth connection, if the earth wire is broken, ELCB doesn't work. ELCB doesn't give you a protection, whereas RCCB doesn't belongs to the earth wire. It's only that works according to the phase and neutral. The protection is more. So in simple words, tripping accuracy is more in RCCB than ELCB according to this. And coming to the last difference is in the operational principle. As I told you, the ELCB is a voltage operated devices, so it works according to the voltage. Whenever since there is an earth wire connected to an ELCB, if there is any earth leakage at a fault condition, there will be earth leakage on the earth wire, and under the fault condition, voltage will be present at the earth wire. And what does ELCB does is that ELCB will send the voltage present in the earth wire, and the tripping coil of the ELCB works. So that is why in ELCB earth wire is very important, because with phase and neutral, it's not actually the tripping mechanism is not working with the phase and neutral in ELCB. It's working with the earth wire. That is why whenever there is a voltage at earth wire, it means that there is a earth leakage present in the system and ELCB trips. And coming to RCCB, it is more advanced, more rigid system, more accurate system. It doesn't have earth wire, as I told you earlier. Then how it works? And RCCB works according to the Kirchhoff's law. As we learned already, Kirchhoff's law is that at a point, the incoming current and outgoing current will be equal for a healthy system or a balanced system. So what happens is that in RCCB we have both phase and neutral. At a normal conditions, the both current present at the phase and the neutral will be same and opposite direction. So what happens is, since there is no leakage, the current going and current coming will be same, and there is no leakage current, and there is no tripping action there, it will work perfectly. And since it is opposite in nature, it will cancel each other and there is no action. But in a fault condition, it will be different. The current going through the phase and coming through a neutral will be different. The current going through the phase will be more because there is some leakage, it is going in some other way, it is used in some other purpose. The current coming back will be in lesser number. So there is a difference in the current going and current coming at the particular RCCB point. There is a CT present at the RCCB. So whenever there is the difference in this phase and neutral, this CT will get sensed and it will be triggering a sensing coil, and this will make the RCCB to trip. So basically this RCCB is an advanced system which works based on the Kirchhoff's law only with the reference to the phase and neutral. So these are the basic difference between the ELCB and RCCB. And one more thing we should understand is that ELCB is currently not available. If you go in a market and ask for a ELCB, you will be getting only RCCB. So there is no ELCB right now available in market or anywhere in any. I don't believe that it is available for buying in anywhere in the world. So ELCB is an obsolete model which is not even used anywhere right now. Right now, if you go into the market, if you ask for even whatever ELCB, RCCB or earth leakage protection device, you will be getting RCCB. Even if it's written ELCB, it's just like a marketing gimmick or marketing strategy, because most of the people are aware more of ELCB than RCCB. So that is why it's written ELCB, but technically it's not ELCB, it's RCCB. So don't get confused. Currently in market we only have RCCB, and RCCB works on current principle, Kirchhoff's law, where only phase and neutral is required. Earth is not required for an RCCB to work. I hope this video is clear. If you have any queries, if you have any concerns, if you are having any doubts, please do comment in our video. We will be replying back, or we will be making videos as per your comments. And don't forget, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. We'll meet on next video. Thank you.